Hi everyone. I am Shri Vidya Varnasi. So I'm going to explain my first program is about LSTM. It's one of the model long short-term memory. So for this we have basically used the trained or TSV and test.dsv. Basically this is nothing but the movie dataset. So we have taken the dataset and then we have trained it. We have cleaned the sentences and then uh, you can see that we have just initialized the tokenizer and then we have done the padding to equalize the length of all input reviews, and then you can see that we have used the Keras LSTM model, and here you can see that our activation is softmax and then our loss is categorical cross entropy. And finally we have visualized the plot. We'll be getting the loss as well as the accuracy. So you can see that my accuracy is 0.6 whereas my loss is 0.58. So this is my graph where you can see that the loss is decreasing and as well as the you can see that the loss is decreasing. And coming to the next program is nothing but CNN. I've performed convolution neural networks program also on the same program, same dataset, that is movies dataset. So here you can see that I have taken the same dataset, train.tsv, test.tsv, and then I have cleaned the sentences, and then I have just tokenized. I've just initialized a tokenizer of Keras and did padding to it. And then here you can see how I did the padding, sequence.pad. And then here I've used my model as Keras CNN, and I fit the model, and then finally I visualized. The graph will be similar to this. So now coming to my third program is nothing but image classification. So here you can see that for image classification I have taken monkey labels.txt. You can see here. So for this I have taken that for training and validation. You can see that there are two different folders, and then each folder training consists of like around 1024 images, and then validation consists of around 700, more than 700 images. So you can see that here's destination, the model is sequential model, and then training that accuracy, and then I've plotted the graph. Now coming to logistic regression. So the logistic regression I've performed on the hard data, hard.csv. So here I did this program on this Google Colab. So that's the reason you can see that it's tensor Colab, TensorBoard Colab import, and then I fit the model. I created the model, and then this is also the linear regression. This I performed using Boston Housing. It's a Keras inbuilt dataset.